This guy is a fossa. The fossa scientific name is Cryptoporacata ferox. Habitat loss due to heavy conversion of forested areas to agricultural land and selective logging threaten the wild populations. These guys live in the evergreen forest of Madagascar. The fossa is most closely related to the mongoose. It is the largest carnivore native to Madagascar. Its main prey is and is the main predator of the lemur. These guys eat all kinds of lemurs: golden lemurs, safacas, ringtails. They also eat small mammals, birds, and reptiles.